is something that I don't use a lot, but I wish I used more. This is the downside of like this is pretty deep, but this is the downside of like our like culture and like short form and like just this like grind mentality. I'm trying to like make beats so quickly that I don't even take the time to set up something that will help speed up my process, if that makes sense. So this is like a drum rack that has or you can put anything on here. It has 8 spots. So it's like a simplified drum rack. But like I could make one of these and then you hit save and just save it as like literally my drum kit, and then I could just bring it up and it'd be so quick to make drums like on every beat, but I'm gonna do it right now. So we'll call this Jimmy Impulse, and then I'll save this. If you want it, it'll be up on my Patreon. How about that? Boom. But right now I just want this kick. The only problem is it comes in real hot. I want this to be like triplet, something like that. All right, we'll get this basic idea, like pattern down, and then we can refine. We're going to deactivate these, and I'm going to use this plugin from Air Windows. This is what everyone uses. It emulates like some Mackie console that they used to use for like drum and bass. So there you go. I don't know if I hope it sounds good to me. I'm just using MacBook speakers. I didn't bring my headphones, so I don't know if it's like mixed very well or whatever. But and I forgot to do like a little outro, so I'm obviously back home now. Kept working on the beat. I don't know if it's like finished or anything, so I might keep working on that later. But this impulse rack, I was obviously talking about it in the beginning of the video. So that will be up, available on my Patreon. It'll be free for everybody, so go check that out if you're interested in that. And yeah, thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you in the next video.